What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best cold air intakes. The cold air intake replaces your vehicle's factory intake, moving the intake to the outside of the engine compartment so it has access to cold air and gets more airflow. There are a lot of products available to choose to cold air intakes, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cold air intakes product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SUPERFASTRACING 4 air intake. Not all trucks are the same, and if you're driving a Chevrolet Silverado 1500, you're in luck. Not only do you have a great truck to drive, but there's an outstanding cold air intake kit out there at an exceptional price in the SUPERFASTRACING 4 cold air intake system. But not only is it available for a great price, but it's easy to install, and there are 4 color options for you to choose from. This cold air intake is all about increasing the airflow for your truck, and it does a great job of it. And since SUPERFASTRACING built this cold air intake system specifically for the Silverado 1500, they knew it needed a little extra heat protection, and built that into that assembly too. It has a heat shield that helps absorb and deflect some of the heat away from the air filter. Number 2. Universal car air intake. While K&N air filters might be our top choice, not everyone has that much money to drop on a cold air intake kit. If you don't have the largest budget out there but still want a top-notch filter, consider the Nexar Universal Air Intake Kit. It's a far more affordable option, and with 2 different color choices, you can match the filter to your specific style. As a universal option, it's not always a seamless installation, but with a design as simple as this one, it's typically pretty straightforward. It comes with a reusable air filter that can save you some money down the road, and it provides tons of airflow, but we'd be lying if we said it gave you the same performance perks as the more expensive options. But if the choice is the stock air filter or this cold air intake will certainly provide you with better airflow and performance. Still, it is a budget choice, and nothing reflects that like the fact that there's no protection around the filter. Number 3. K&N Cold Air Intake Kit. If you're driving a Dodge Ram 1500, you want an air filter that gives you the best possible performance from your truck. If that sounds like you, then you want this vehicle-specific K&N Cold Air Intake Kit. Because it's a vehicle-specific kit, it's super easy to install on your truck, saving your time and frustration when setting things up. And while it's easy to install, it still comes with everything you'd expect from a top-notch K&N air filter. That includes its signature 10-year 1 million mile warranty, and the fact that you only need to clean out the air filter every 100,000 miles. You get phenomenal airflow with this filter, and it's legal in all 50 states, so you don't need to worry about where you're driving or the local laws in your area. Finally, the air filter on this kit does a great job protecting your engine from various particulates, giving your vehicle more protection when you're on the road. However, like most K&N products, this filter isn't a lower priced option, so you need to be ready to open your checking account a bit if you want it. Still, for everything that it offers, we think it's worth every penny. Number 4. BBK Cold Air Intake. Alright, well this might be the best cold air intake system for a Ford Mustang. It's really important to remember that there are about 100 different Ford Mustang configurations out there, and this vehicle-specific cold air intake kit won't fit them all. But if you have a 5.0L Mustang and want a Fender well-style cold air intake, this is the top choice out there. It's an extremely durable product that provides a ton of airflow. But what's really its top selling point is the mix of price and performance you get with this cold air intake system. It's not the lowest priced option out there, but it's not the most expensive either. That's what makes it so impressive that you get high-end results despite the fact that you're not paying a high-end price. Number 5. K&N Universal Air Intake. If you're looking for the best aftermarket cold air intake filter out there, you need to check out K&N air filters. While they don't claim the highest performance boosts compared to some other brands, what K&N claims they actually deliver. This K&N cold air intake kit is a universal model that fits on almost any vehicle. Another perk of K&N air filters is that you only need to clean the filter every 100,000 miles, making it one of the easiest air filters out there to care for. K&N air filters are a more expensive option, but when you consider that they come with a 10-year, 1 million mile warranty, it's really an excellent value for what you're getting. Chances are when you buy this air filter and kit, it's the last one you'll need to purchase for that vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.